Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you guys very quickly how to download premium images for free on these two websites, which are FreePic and IStock. Right, I'll be showing you guys how to download their premium images for free, completely free. All right, so let's jump into it.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So the first thing you want to do is locate the image you want to download. Then make sure you are selecting a premium image, right? So click on the image. As you can see, you cannot download it from here. It will be asking you to subscribe to the plan, right? And we don't want to do that. We want this premium image. As you can see, it's a premium image. You want it for free. I know most of you might be thinking that you could actually just right click here, then click on save image as, then you can, as you can see, it will be saving as a AVIF format, which is not what we want. We actually want to download our images in JPEG format or PNG format. So this actual format here will not work for us, so let's cancel that. So what we have to do here now is just to create a new tab. Then we can search for FreePic image downloader, right? FreePic image downloader. So just click enter. Make sure you are selecting this one that has this robotic black thingy. So just click on it, then come back to our image here. What to do now is right click, then copy image address. We are copying the image address, then come back to our downloader, then put it here and paste it, then it gets your image. Then as you can see, it will download straight away and we can open it. So it has downloaded our image for us for free, and it has downloaded it in JPEG format, right? That's cool. So now let's have the one for iStock now. So let's select the image first. Let's try to select an image first. So let's see. So let's go with this image. Well, this is perfect. As you can see, you cannot as well download this image for two reasons. You have to subscribe to their plans first or whatever, and again it has watermarks of iStock, and this method of saving image as will not actually work here. As you can see, it has watermarks which we do not want on our image when we download them, because it is pretty much useless as it is now. So you have to follow the same method like we did earlier. So you want to put in iStock image downloader, right? So click on enter. This first one, just click it. It will take you to this website. So what you have to do now is go back to our image. This time around we'll be copying our URL, right? Then we can go back to our image downloader, right click, paste, then click on download. Let's wait for it to load. Then you can see it download now. As you can see, the picture does not come with the watermark we had earlier on it. So from here we can now right click, then you can save our image as you can see it is in JPEG format, then you can save. All right, so these are the two ways in which you could get premium images for free from these two websites, which are FreePic and iStock. I'll be putting the link to the downloader in the description below in case you find it hard getting it through the website. So I will drop the link to these two websites in the description below. So make sure you check it. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn on the notification bell icon so that when I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified about it. So I want you guys to please make sure you keep coming back for more tutorials like this. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.